Have you been considering getting a Facebook ad certification? A lot of business owners are looking into Facebook's blueprint certifications, but the big question is, are they worth it? Word on the street in the digital marketing world is they're not. So today I'm going to cover the Facebook blueprint certifications to help you determine if they could actually make a difference to your business or not. And at the end of the video, I'll go over another ad course alternative that may be better suited for your business. What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Before we get started, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the business growing videos we put out every single week. All right, so let's start by defining what Facebook blueprint certifications are. Facebook says, Facebook certification exams help you stand out in your field. Facebook awards credentials to individuals who demonstrate advanced level proficiency in various aspects of digital marketing with Facebook products. So let's go to facebook.com/business/learn/certification and take a look at what they offer. They have different courses you can click into, and when you click learn more on one, it takes you to the page where you can learn more about that exam and certification and register. It currently costs about $99 US to take an exam, and no refunds are given if you fail the test. So you want to make sure if you do plan on taking these exams that you are prepared. If you scroll down, you can see some exam prep resources. If you click Get Started under Learn with Blueprint, you can get access to free online courses. Beyond that, you can take a practice test, and they have a free study guide that you can download as well. So let's quickly talk about what to expect if you plan on taking a Facebook Blueprint exam. Like I said, it does cost money to take the test, so you'll want to feel pretty confident that you can pass it before burning money on it. They're also very serious about your exam environment. If you don't choose to take the exam in one of their testing centers, you will have to meet their at-home requirements, which include a webcam for them to watch and ensure you're not cheating, as well as installing a software to record your screen. You must do the required system test and exam simulation before exam day, and you'll also need a valid ID. So the big question is, are Facebook Blueprint certifications worth all the trouble? In my opinion, the exams are only worth doing if you are looking to get a job in digital marketing and want some credentials to add to your resume. I'll tell you why I think they're not worth it otherwise in a second, but first, here's a quick message from Sherman.
Hey, we just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. And after managing millions of dollars in ad spend for thousands of different small businesses, we have decided to give away everything we learned to you in a special program. If you want to learn the blueprint to success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, and all of the different tools you will need, then sign up for our social ads training program today.
All right, so if you look at the courses, the majority of them are how-tos. Like the Digital Marketing Associate exam, for example, studying for that will teach you how to create, manage, and report on ads in Ads Manager. The problem is you can learn how to do that for free by just Googling it or watching a YouTube video. And that can be said for a lot of these exam topics. So if you're considering taking these courses because you're trying to learn more about Facebook ads to grow your business, A, you can learn the basics for free online without having to pay for the exam, and B, it's not really teaching you much beyond how to do things. Yes, learning the basics are important, but these courses don't get into the nitty-gritty of critical thinking with your marketing and talking about real-life scenarios or what to do in really specific situations. So if you're a business owner just looking to learn for the sake of growing your business, I would just take advantage of their free studying material, because otherwise, why do you really need the title of being certified? That's why I think having the certification is only truly helpful if you're looking to start a career in digital marketing, which I have a video about, so if that is you, check that out in the description. But otherwise, there are so many free avenues to obtain the basic level of knowledge when it comes to Facebook ads, including their own blueprint study material, which again is free. And even more importantly, there are other paid training courses out there that get deeper into Facebook ad training. So with that, let's talk about my #1 suggested alternative to Facebook's blueprint certifications. It is none other than LYFE Marketing's training course. Now I know, Shameless plug. You're probably like, of course you'd recommend that one. But let me explain why. We are a digital marketing agency that has been around for over a decade, meaning we were out here marketing back when Scott McCreery won American Idol and when Kate and William got married and Kim K divorced Chris H and all of that. Feels like a lifetime ago, right? Especially after 2020. But in all seriousness, my point is that in all of that time, we have not only managed millions in ad spend for our clients like you heard Sherman say earlier, but we've also garnered a ton of experience with every business and ad scenario you can think of. And that's not something to take lightly. In a world of instant gratification, experience carries even more weight than it used to. Now again, if you're new to Facebook ads, then why not look at Facebook's Blueprint study material to learn the basics for free? Nothing to lose there. But if you're gonna spend money on something, you want it to provide real value. Why spend it on a credential that says, hey, you know stuff you already knew you knew, when you could spend it on furthering your knowledge and investing in yourself and your business? So while my recommended training course is LYFE Marketing's, I would suggest that any Facebook ad training course you look into be one that can really provide you with information that's not already plastered all over the internet for free. One that actually furthers your marketing education and equips you with the tools to grow your business successfully and sustainably. So what do you think? Do you think taking the Facebook Blueprint exam is worth it? Not just studying the free material, but actually paying and taking the exam. You think that's worth it? Comment below and let me know why or why not. But otherwise, that about wraps up everything I had for you today, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you go. And I will see you in the next episode.